Hey friends, how are you today? This video is section 8 about Flutter tutorial series. And today we are going to talk about creating a custom application, which is Hello World as the very first Flutter application. I'm Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia, and let's get started with my video. In the previous section, we have discussed about understanding project structure of Flutter. Now, the main screen would look something like this. So, let us go through the library folder. Inside the library folder, we have one file here called the main.dart, which is kind of like an entry point for the Flutter application. Further, when we do start creating multiple screen application following a certain design pattern, we will have to create more files and folders inside this particular folder. So, to do that, we need to delete all code inside this main.dart file here. First, we need to import a package, which is material.dart package. So this package consists all material classes that we need to create a Flutter application. It means that we need to always to import this package. After this, we need to provide void main method. This method is the main method that will be executed by program when we were running the application. And inside this method, we need to provide run app. So run app is a widget. So what is a widget? In Flutter, almost everything is a widget. Yes, everything. I define widgets as the component or block that define the user interface. The AppBar is a widget. The text on it is a widget. The style you apply to the text is a widget. Even the alignment of the text could be called as a widget. In Flutter, anything that is a view or contribute to a property of the view is a widget. We will discuss the widget in detail in the next section. So right now we are going to create a text widget. So we need to provide new text. And we need to provide a string here. And don't forget to add semicolon here. And we need to provide text direction, and then text direction dot LTR. LTR it means left to right. Okay, let's start our app. As we can see on the screen mirroring application, our text is on the left top corner. There is a text hello world. But how do we make it on the center? To do that, we need to provide a center widget here. And inside the center widget, we need to provide a widget that we want to make it on center. So we cut text widget and paste inside a center widget. But this text is a child of a center widget. So we need to provide child properties here. And let's start our application again. And now our text is on the center. So I think enough for this section. Our further videos, we will discuss the widget in detail. If you have any questions or comments, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.